Hello traders, this is Umar with you and hope you are all doing good. So nowadays I am thinking of quitting option, right? See why you have to keep so much of margin money that this penalty, everything is against you. Markets are moving violently. Nifty moving 200, 300 points in one day and Bank Nifty is crazy, absolutely crazy. In a 600 points, 700 points move in one day, right? So that is obvious because Bank Nifty is used to those kind of move. It is very volatile and you have to have skills to handle Bank Nifty, and emotionally you will get affected if you don't know what to do if you are trading in Bank Nifty. I am talking about Bank Nifty. And nowadays even Nifty is behaving like this. 200, 300 points move. See, today it is gapped up and it has moved, sustained the gap up and it is moving on the upside. So these kinds of markets are not meant for option traders, right? Option sellers particularly, because see, you make money. Option seller makes money when the market doesn't move, right? When it consolidates or it is range bound. But markets are moving. How do you handle this kind of situation? There is nothing we can do. All you can do is, if you are losing money or if you are hoping and if you are frustrated about this kind of move, you are trying all type of adjustment and still things are not working, means you don't have to worry about that. Let me tell you, you are learning something really great. You are gaining knowledge here. Market is giving you knowledge. Every move in the market is an opportunity for you to learn something from the market. That's what I'm saying. See, let me tell you something. Bull run is not permanent. It is temporary. It is not. Markets are not going to move in one direction for a prolonged time. See, from 2015 or even 2013 to till 2020, markets were really not moving. It was moving, but it was not such a big bull run like what we are experiencing from March 2020 till now, right? From March 2020, where we were around 7,500 and we are here now at 18,300. So such a wide bull run, markets are not going to move in this direction, one direction for a prolonged time. It has to come down. You see the valuations are highly, Indian markets are highly valued, and all these are happening in spite of we not getting support from global market. Dow is consolidating for the last 6 months. We have been talking about this in our previous video, and still we are moving on the upside. Now imagine if the Dow we are getting support from global cues, what will happen? We will touch all-time high. Maybe we will touch, Nifty will go and touch 20,000 also, right? So no wonder what is this kind of craziness. I don't know, even I'll not be surprised if Nifty touches 20,000 before this December, I think. Yeah, so that is the way these things are happening. And you know, tomorrow is a holiday. I've been telling, if you are an armature trader or beginner, you shouldn't be going into trading into long weekends. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days weekend we are having, and let us see what is going to happen on Monday. Hopefully everything is going to be on the upside only. The markets are not focusing. It doesn't really care about any bad news or any negativity. Everything, whatever bad news, Delta variant, inflation, blah blah blah, everything, market doesn't care. All it cares about is going on the upside, and that is what it is doing. And I don't think until we have, like, what I am thinking is, we have to keep up with the market. If market is going on the bullish side, if market is shooting up, why we should be bearish and hurt ourselves? So it's better go long, right? So nothing is happening. As far as I am concerned, for the last 1 year, if you see, wherever there is a dip, immediately bulls are coming in and taking the market on the upside. So this has been happening since last year, right? So this trend is continuing. So if we get support from global cues also, if Dow is also started moving as having a bull run, then you cannot imagine where the markets are going to be. And today, you know what happened to Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty rallied more than 1,000, around 600, 700 points, I think. And main reason was HDFC, PNB, ICICI, IndusInd Bank, SBI all shooted up drastically. It hit the roof and it went all the way to somewhere around, I think, 38,300 or 400 levels. And I think Bank Nifty is going to touch 40,000. Bank Nifty is on a lifetime high, Nifty is on a lifetime high. All these are happening and we option sellers are struggling. In spite of all of this, today we were able to make at least, I think, around 2% in our trades. So after 1 o'clock I just squared off and I exited the trade. Otherwise I would have made a decent 5 to 7% return on investment. So that was a trade today we have taken. And tomorrow we will see what we can do. We will come out with some videos. We have been talking so much about the market and we are not talking any adjustment videos or strategy videos. So tomorrow we will post a strategy video in about some options or iron condor, or let me know what strategies or what subject you want me to talk about. So we will have a brief discussion about that. But let me tell you, in spite of even though markets are moving like this, if you are able to make profit in this kind of market, you are going to make profit. You are going to make, in fact, you are going to make good returns when the markets are in normal condition, right? See, as an option seller, you don't make money in this kind of markets moving in one direction and you don't make money, right? You are an option seller. But if you are able to make money, if you are able to sort out and find a way to make money in this kind of market, you are going to make money in the normal market condition. Markets are not going to move in one direction. So as I told you, these are all your the time to learn many things about the market, right? So fully hedged strategies or partially hedged strategies, whatever strategies there are, you should be testing it in this kind of market so that when the market returns to normal condition you make good money. And all these days, if you see, FIs were net sellers. They were selling around 5,500 crores for the last 5 or 6 trading session, apart from yesterday. And if you see yesterday, they have been net buyers. They have bought in a span of around 937 crores, and DIs have sold for around 432 crores. Now you have to remember, when FIs start buying, you know what is going to happen. They are going to take the market on the upside. And their favorite stocks are always or will be Reliance, HDFC, ICICI, those kind of stocks. So if these things are moving, you know what is going to happen. HDFC is having a high weightage in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty is going to touch a lifetime high, right? So already Bank Nifty is in a lifetime high. So probably Bank Nifty should see 40,000 and even Nifty should see 20,000. And there is no point in being bearish. Markets are moving. As I told you, whatever happens, whatever the bad news, nothing is going to take the market on the downside. And as I talk to you, if you see the Dow pre-market, US pre-market, Dow futures are up by 300 points, S&P is up by 40 points, and Nasdaq is up by 162 points. So everything is on the bullish side. So it's wise to be on the bull side as well. With the bulls, we have to be traveling with the bulls as well. So I think you have to understand this. And as always, I don't take a bullish or bearish stance. Wherever the market goes, we travel along with the market. So that's what we are here for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.